To create a Cyberpunk color grading in Photoshop,
first select your layer, then press Ctrl J on Windows or Command J on Mac. This will create a duplicate layer. Right click on the new layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now navigate to the filter menu and choose Camera Raw Filter. If you would like to follow along with this tutorial, I have provided links to the images in the description. Now, to create our effect, follow these steps. If you want to check the before and after, click on the small icon at the bottom of the screen. Once this is done, click on the three dots and select Create Preset. Give it any name you prefer and select OK. This will save all the settings we applied to the image so that you can use these settings in the future for any image. Click OK to confirm. To apply the same effect to another image, duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J on Windows or Command J on Mac. This will create a duplicate layer. Right click on the new layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Now go to the filter menu and choose Camera Raw Filter. Next, click on the preset icon. Go to User Presets and select the preset we saved earlier.
this will automatically apply the Cyberpunk color grading settings to the current image.
You can adjust the slider to change the intensity of the effect or make any other necessary adjustments. Once you are satisfied, check the before and after and click OK. If you don't want to go through all the steps we have taken, I have provided a link to this preset in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to write in the comments. Let me know if there is anything else you would like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.